Welcome to Tech Captain with another interesting video, and today I am going to tell you about how you can measure wind speed of your area in iPhone. So let's begin the video. First, you have to open Weather app and then connect internet if not connected. After connecting the internet, tap on that icon at the left bottom. Now press these layers. Now select Wind. You can see the wind speed of my area is around 8 kilometers per hour. You can also check your area wind speed with the same method. Here you can play wind speed to check the upcoming hour's speed. This method is predictive and can be wrong as well, but so far it is giving approximately exact measurements. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech, and I will see you in the next one.